big vessel. This is a big separator, right? In the separator, we will have the enough space, no? So if the alarms will not be immediately rise to the trip level, right?
But they don't have more than 2 minutes residence time.
See, the residence time is based on the AGS
The required,
or the required,
the 1 minutes.
Right.
And currently we consider around the 2 minutes. 2 minutes for this residence time.
So that means you don't have more than 5 minutes. So our band is 0 to 5.
everything is less than 5 minutes. So it will
Yeah.
be
Yeah,
all immediate, right?
yeah, we don't have much
Ex-
control. We don't have much control.
Except the FST, which is a huge tank.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
for all the separators, slack catchers and separators, all are less than 5 minutes.
Yeah. I can tell you in advance, Imran, the more P1 is we are getting because of the process time. We don't have more process time. If you reach 30%, 30 minutes or 15 minutes, so this will come P3, P2, P3. But because of the time, because we don't have much time here, if it is a time is 15 minutes, then I will consider P2, not P1.
Probably what we really need to see here is this severity.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So severity we can customize here. Yeah, we can see.
Yes.
I'm saying that. So let us. See why we are considering medium severity. That is why I'm saying I'm just giving a. Not a warning, but a caution that if you don't give the right rating here, I would say why you're going for two, go for one. Notable risk, notable financial loss. Why you are going for everything?
I think we can go for that
Yeah,
because
yeah,
see,
because no, the safety system is already in place,
Hmm.
and if
yes,
the operator is not
I,
able to respond it,
Hmm.
there will not be any kind of hazard there because already we
Correct.
have the safety system in place. So I think
Yes,
the
yes.
severity should not be that stringent, and because of the severity only, we are getting all the alarm as a P1, and our
Yeah.
KPI is to make the only the 5% of the P1.
5%.
And if you
Yes.
take the high severity, we are going with the high, a lot of alarms in the P1. So I think the severity, as Mr. Chairman told, I think need to be looked once again.
Yes.
yeah,
And
Because yeah,
no, we agree on that. Yeah,
yes, yes. So that is why I'm saying that let us not go for this because we have control here only. We don't have control in the timing.
correct.
So
yeah, timing
and
also, timing also need to be relooked because this is separator is a very big equipment, and if there is an alarm, if there is a time will be there, no, to reach to be the high and the low level. Immediately it will
so
not reach to the high and the
yeah.
low level.
So Emmanuel and
So
Khalid,
because 5 minutes are very quick, 5 minutes are
very
just
quick.
very quick. So I think
You
if you
start
have the
from
more
chair,
time.